Hey friends, today we're going to show you how to create a banner from scratch. I'm making an Easter banner that says, "He is risen." So let's get all the supplies that we need and let's get started. Sorry friends, excuse my congestion today. Just bear with me, but we're going to get through this. Now we're just going to draw out some 5-inch letters with the ruler to make them nice and neat and to get them ready for our banner. I'm also going to show you real quickly how I kind of did the S since it's curvy and it's a little bit different. Don't be afraid to erase it as many times as you need to, but you just kind of play around with the curves drawing out the S. And once you get the letters drawn out, you just cut them out with your scissors. Now we're about to get ready to trace them onto our glitter paper. I'm first going to take a marker and a ruler and draw a straight line. This will allow me to make sure I can fit all the letters on the paper. Friends, it looked like we ran out of space for our end. I just so happen to have this from Hobby Lobby. Let's go through here. My daughter's here to help me. No, that won't work. What else we got?
This one.
That won't work. Keep going.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Ha ha. Bingo! We found one.
Oh, yeah. We found one. Oh, yeah. We found one.
Now we have all the letters traced on the glitter paper. We just cut it out. Creating the banner template for the letters. have it, our He is Risen banner. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and that notification bell for more videos. Check out my Shop With Me Easter video and have a royal day.